I love it! Welcome back to another Porsche Fanatic video. Now this was a thrill and an eye-opening experience. Driving the 981S so soon after I drove the 718S has allowed me to really feel the difference between my 987S and these two successive models. Which one is the perfect one, at least to me? Well, you will get to hear that later on. I'm not sure if you just heard what I said, but this was the first time that I nailed the 981, and my God, does she move. Really, it just slicks away, and the 987 was but a speck in the rearview mirror. In this video there will be some places where I will go quiet with this narrative, just so you can enjoy the views and the sounds. From both the POV interior cam and the Insta360 that's mounted out front. First, the details. The 981S is a 2014 model with the Sport Chromo package, paddle box, and it's lowered. In sport mode, it goes up to 8,000 RPM in second gear with mouth-watering acceleration. When shifting up to third gear, it kicks in and pushes you right into the seat. Almost like the Turbo 718 I drove in the previous video. The 981 feels super planted and stable, and the PDK box changes almost imperceptibly. There's also a cool audible rev match from the gearbox when shifting down, which I was not expecting. That was a really pleasant surprise. And that burble, not loud and obnoxious, but refined yet tasty. And yes, what about that sumptuous burgundy interior? Wow. This is one area where you see a big improvement over my 987 from 2008. Also, the roof on the 981 opens and closes with the remote. And in some of the passing clips you will notice that cool carbon fiber wing on the 981. Priced at 1.5 times the 987 with all its mods, This 2014 981S is still in warranty, and it has just about 20,000 miles, 34,000 kilometers on it, and no major issues. So as you heard from the opening scene, I did love it. It just seems to whisk along as the 718 Turbo S did, but this one still maintains that growl and grumble of my somewhat loud 987. While the steering is electric in the 981, just as in the Turbo, to me it felt more like the hydraulic system in my own 987. It feels heavy, but in a good way, with great feedback from the road surface and in turning and underbraking also. There are several scenes in this video where you can see both under full throttle, and the 981 just flies away into the distance. So the burning question, would I buy one? Yes, for sure. This 981 is the perfect balance of an exciting sports car, a perfect balance between the lightning fast 718 Turbo S and my heavily modded 987S. Many thanks to MM for trusting me to thrash his baby without thrashing it completely. Hope you enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe.